Hey babes, do you see this glowy skin, honey? Get into it. So I'm going to show you guys how I get this glass chocolate smooth even skin in the next video. Okay, so the first product that we're going to be using is my favorite cleanser at the moment. This is the Tatcha Rice Wash. Okay, so now I have washed my face with the cleanser. Now we're gonna go in and tone our face. So I have been loving this one from the Good Molecules brand. This is the niacinamide brightening toner. I love this one because it's been really helping with dark marks as well as hyperpigmentation.
So I just work this on a cotton reel to balance out my skin.
And there is our final look. So it's giving glass, it's giving flawless.